Clint from 50 Campfires here. One of the fun things about this trip that we're on where we're driving around Lake Michigan is stop into these smaller communities that are right on the water. And we are in Algoma, Wisconsin, and we ran into this place called Bearcat's Fish House. How cool is that? And that was the original owner's actual name. So we're gonna head inside and check it out. Bearcat's Fish House was actually started in 1986 by a guy named Bearcat. The only employees when they started were him, his wife Linda, and 2 kids. It's really been a mainstay in this community for a lot of years. Then it changed hands in 2012. It's bought by Billy Smith and his wife Nicole. When we walked into Bearcat's Fish House, we were blown away at the assortment, both of frozen fish and smoked fish. Just unbelievable assortment of fish. Before we took off, we had to ask one of the employees a very important question. So I literally had to get in line to ask this question because this place is so busy and it's so steady. But I gotta know, what's your #1 seller?
Well, we sell most of our salmon here or whatever, and our best seller would be brown sugar salmon.
Well, there you have it. If you're swinging through Algoma, Wisconsin, now you know what to pick up if you swing through Bearcat's Fish House.